Hey guys, how you doing? Mowers and blowers here again. It's been a while. It's about 48 degrees today, and we've had one major snowstorm and haven't had much else. And so my garage is filled with stuff. Two nice snow blowers there that I practically got for nothing. Some bunch of other stuff. What is it? Riding mowers, right? At Toro and John Deere, they run great. A couple of single stage, some more riding mowers. But anyway, so it's been a dry winter for sure. I've only sold about 10 snow blowers, a couple of riding mowers here and there, but definitely not the kind of volume I was moving during the summer for sure. Anyway, you guys know about my $10 snow blowers. $10 lawnmowers. I love $10 lawnmowers. I won't pay more than $10 for a lawnmower. Anyway, so I figured I'd get a start on it and pick this baby up. It's a Murray 22-inch Select 6 horsepower Quantum engine. This was $10. Got it on the Letgo app. Looks like somebody tried to take that apart there. This is all discombobulated, but not a big deal. Even the guy said it needed a carb clean. He said that there was a new blade in it. Let's find out. Yeah, brand new blade. Hey, there's your $10 right there. Everything else is free. Anyway, I'm going to start off by taking the carb apart and seeing if we can just fire this baby up. Of course, if you can see that gas caps had it too. No gas, empty.